All right, we got the Bowers Biddy, very tiny rimfire can that is meant to be shot dry. It's very small. Just want to show you how it comes apart. I'll send you this tool with it. It basically fits here, and you can pop off both the mount and the front cap. So you essentially take your front cap off, and then you've got a baffle stack and a spacer, the tube, and the rear mount that has the threading in it. And then each one of your baffles get assembled to each other like this, and they snap together. So you want to do them 180 degrees off. So you see they have the little notches here. Basically, snap them together 180 degrees from each other. Pretty simple. And then you snap it together. So when you go to assemble it, put the mount on, put the cone nipple end facing you, put the little spacer on top of it, slide the tube over it, and then you can put the end cap on and snug it up with the tool. And that's pretty much all there is to it for the Bowers Biddy rimfire suppressor.